Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on doing some decorating in my house. It's actually going to be a combined thing because I did a little bit of it here last week and I'm going to be doing a little bit today. I just thought I'd bring you all along and to show you a couple of things that I'm working on. I'm trying to just make it feel a little bit homier in here. We're still waiting on the rug and the couch to get here, and we're just lacking in a lot of furniture, so things are really kind of bare around here and you're just gonna have to bear with us. So yeah, it's just a lot of projects have to happen. Yeah, it feels like it's been kind of camping for a while. We have a couple items, but yeah, it's almost a month. It feels like it's been kind of like this for a long time. That's okay. We have a house to live in, we're excited, we're living in Florida, and yeah. Anyway, so just figured I'd bring you all along and see what I can kind of get done. This picture here, it comes from Hobby Lobby, but our church at home gave it to us as a farewell gift. So I just think it will look great. I'm thinking about putting it here possibly. I thought about putting it out by my desk there, but it's almost as wide as the desk and I feel like it might kind of overpower it a little bit, but I'll see once. This is kind of what I had thought about initially when I'd gotten it, or when they gave it to us. I was thinking, oh, this wall could look perfect. Eventually I could put like a little console table underneath it and have it looking all nice, and then eventually, you know, have the railing like the black wrought iron. That was kind of my thought with it, and yeah, hopefully we'll get a table sometime. The command strips I have, the Velcro ones, they say they hold up to 16 pounds, so I definitely know we're good with these, so I'll just put one on either side, I think. I like it. I've never actually hung a picture this big with command strips, so I was a little nervous, but I think it'll work. I'll let you know if it plops down, but I have my little level and stuff to make sure it's level. But yeah, I like it, I think. I am just loving this cracked pepper here in my house. I'd done it in the boys' room and I did it down here, and I still have leftover paint from that 1 gallon, so yeah, look out. I made you some more. Yesterday I just painted that one and I just really love the moody feel of it, and I don't think it captures the right color on camera. It's warmer on camera. I mean, it's warmer in person than it is on camera. I think that's how it feels to me. It kind of looks kind of blue on camera, but it's just a really nice shade of almost black. But yeah, I'm just trying to do a couple things. This wall, actually, we had intended to, hopefully my plan was to do shiplap on the walls and maybe paint them something like this color, but that's not gonna happen right away, and I was tired of just staring at unfinished walls and I really wanted it to look a little bit different. So I decided, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it. I had the paint anyway. And eventually what we'd like to do is put some built-ins along this whole wall here of like desk space, one for me, one for Nick. That's kind of the plan, and kind of maybe have it as our media room. I'm not sure. It's not very big, this whole area here, but we could almost put like 2 chairs or a little couch or something here. So I'm not positive yet on what we're going to be doing, but for now I'll probably just use the desk I have and kind of work with it. So I picked up some command strips yesterday, the Velcro kind, and if you have never used those before to hang things, do it. It'll save yourself a lot of holes in the walls and stuff. But anyway, then I don't feel so bad about moving stuff around if I decide I don't want it there. Anyway, enough rambling. I always have trouble with my curtain rods. at the time it ended up in not having a stud there and they were loose and Nick had to help me and everything else, but this time I was having the same struggle, although I knew pretty sure there was a stud here. I pre-drilled it with a drill bit a little bit and I knew it was one there, but the screws they send, I'm sorry, but they're just like the dumbest screws. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing, but they just like spin out. So I just used a drywall screw and I don't think it's going anywhere, so I'm just using one on each side. So let's see if I can get it to work. I'm trying to decide which curtains I'm gonna put up. Either some kind of white sheer ones, I used to have them in my bedroom, or I have these tan ones that I had used in the boys' room. They're from Target. They're the Nate Berkus ones. I really like these and they might work here too, but I'm gonna see how it looks with, yeah, the window and everything. Well, now I'm seeing that it goes up in the middle, so it looks like I'm gonna have to adjust the ends a little bit more. All right, after quite a bit of time trying to get those curtain rods hung, they don't look the best, but I think they're okay. I just kind of had to jerry-rig them myself, I guess, but I think I've got them mostly level, and I also tried out the white sheer curtains, but I think I like the tan ones better. I actually had to kind of like lengthen one of the curtains because it was shorter than the other one, which is weird because I had them up in the boys' room and I don't think I washed them. Pretty sure I didn't. But yeah, I like these curtains here. I feel like they add some texture and yet they don't take away too much from outside. So I think I'm gonna leave them for now. I'm gonna try and hang this other picture that I have laying there up there for now. The other thing is, we need more lights in here. This room does not have any overhead lighting. Actually, quite a few of the rooms don't. So we're just really lacking in the light department. Plus, we've still got to finish putting baseboard on the floor there and that sort of thing. So I'm really super excited because my rug just got delivered. I at least will have like a little bit of a cozy spot in the living room, you know, that we can kind of sit on if we want to until our couch and everything gets here. But oh, I'm so excited. I'll do like a full living room tour later on once everything is finished. But I'm really excited, you guys. This couldn't have come at a better time. I have this macrame thing here, and I'm sure you saw it in my videos from Ohio. But there's actually a hole here in the wall over here already, on this little wall there. And I'm thinking about hanging it there for right now. I don't know that I'm gonna leave it for permanently, but we'll see once it actually kind of hides the lamp or like the light switch and stuff. So I'll see once. In a way, I think I'd like it to be black, but I don't know. Actually, what I'm seeing is that this wall looks a lot creamer than the wall over there, because this is like a bright white and this is the Simply White from Benjamin Moore, or like that color. And so now I'm seeing that it is definitely a different shade, so I may paint it, you know, at some point, but I don't know. I'm just trying to make this back room look a little bit more lived in, at least one space that is a little bit more decorated. I am contemplating moving these curtains out here though to the living room possibly, once I get my furniture and stuff. I'm not sure yet, because I have shears that I could put up here, and I don't know, I might like these in the living room because I really like these curtains. They're from Target and I'm trying to remember if they still have them. I'm trying to remember. I was looking in Target last night, and I don't know if they still have these. These are the Nate Berkus ones, and they're just like a heavy, yeah, I just love the texture to them. So I don't know. I may move them, but I really need to do some cleaning up in here, actually.
Alright guys, I kind of forgot to film an ending, but I just wanted to say that we are loving the rug. It's very cozy, and I think it'll go well with the style that I'm kind of working towards, so just thought I'd give you a little bit of a sneak peek. Make sure you stay tuned because we're obviously going to be doing some more videos in the future, and yeah, I just thought I'd refresh your minds as to what it looked like before. Sometimes it's easy to forget and everything, but yeah, the floors are a huge improvement here. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today, and I will see you later. Bye guys!